Have you ever felt completely stuck? Like you're facing a mountain so huge you can't see the top, let alone figure out how to climb it? Maybe it's a health issue that won't go away, a financial crisis that keeps you up at night, or a relationship that feels broken beyond repair. We've all been there, feeling helpless and searching for a lifeline. But what if I told you that you already have the most powerful key to breakthrough, right on the tip of your tongue? There's a name that has echoed through history, a name that has calmed storms, healed the sick, and brought hope to the hopeless. That name is Jesus. Now, this isn't about some magic formula or empty chant. It's about understanding the authority and power that reside in his name. The Bible tells us in Philippians chapter 2 that God exalted King Jesus to the highest place and gave him the name that is above every name, so that at the name of Jesus every knee should bow in heaven and on earth and under the earth. Think about that for a second. Every knee. That includes the knee of sickness, the knee of fear, the knee of lack, and the knee of depression. They all have to bow. Let's look at the book of Acts. Peter and John are going to the temple, and they see a man who has been unable to walk since birth. He asks them for money. Peter says something incredible. "Silver or gold I do not have, but what I do have, I give you. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, walk." And immediately the man's feet and ankles became strong. He jumped to his feet and began to walk. Peter didn't have money, but he had something infinitely more valuable, the authority to use the name of Jesus. So, how do we apply this to our own lives? It starts with faith. It's about believing that when you speak the name of Jesus, you are not just saying a word. You are invoking the very presence and power of the King of Kings. You are reminding all of heaven and hell who you belong to and what authority you carry as a child of God. When anxiety tries to overwhelm you, don't just sit there and take it. Open your mouth and say, "Fear, I command you to leave in the name of Jesus." When you receive a bad report from the doctor, lay your hands on yourself and declare, "By his stripes, I am healed." In the name of Jesus. Speaking his name shifts the atmosphere. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. The darkness has no choice but to flee. It silences the voice of the accuser and amplifies the voice of truth. It's not about how loudly you say it or how many times you repeat it. It's about the conviction in your heart. When you speak his name, you are aligning yourself with God's will and his victory. You are declaring that the finished work of the cross is more powerful than any circumstance you are facing. Today, I challenge you to be intentional. Do you let the name of Jesus be a word you only hear in a song or a sermon? Make it your first response. When you wake up feeling worried, speak his name. When you're in the middle of a stressful day, whisper his name. Before you go to sleep, thank him by name. Start speaking the name of Jesus over your health, your family, your finances, and your future. You will be amazed as you watch mountains begin to move and miracles begin to happen. He is faithful to his name. Thank you so much for watching. If this message encouraged you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share a time when you experienced the power in the name of Jesus. God bless you.